So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, did you order an Uber?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Mary.
Okay.
You should have known
Hey,
that already.
that's my door.
Okay, so what?
Can you not slam my door?
Oh my god, okay, can you just fucking drive, please? Because I'm gonna be late if you're gonna give up this conversation.
Can you put your seatbelt on, please?
No, actually, no, I cannot. Like, this blouse was like $1,000.
Okay.
So, just keep on driving, okay? Because I'm not...
Look, I'm not trying... Like, can you just be nice to me?
I could, but I'm not going to be, because that's just how I am, you know?
What do you mean that's how you... Are all you guys like this who live up here in these nice houses?
Well, honestly, yeah, most of the people. Why, you have a problem with that?
No, I'm like trying to make money right now and you're being mean to me.
Oh, well, then you should try harder, because you're not doing enough.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm like so fucking pissed right now.
Why?
Because you're just annoying me.
I'm not even saying anything.
Like, you're just asking useless questions.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to be nice.
Okay, then try harder, because apparently it's not working right now. I'm pissed.
Oh, sorry.
And I just broke my fucking nail.
Sorry, I actually went the wrong way. Let me turn around.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry. Look, the GPS on Uber sucks.
Oh my god, you're the worst driver. I'm gonna give you fucking 1 star.
What? No.
Like, what the fuck are you
No, I already
doing?
have a low rating, okay? I can't get any more 1 stars.
I don't care.
Oh, I know the GPS, like...
Dude, I have to be there in 5 minutes.
Okay, well, what do you mean 5 minutes? It says 10 minutes.
Okay, then make it shorter, damn it.
I can't.
If you want a 5-star, then better do it.
Okay, I'll try to drive faster, but I can't promise 5 minutes.
Well, you have to, or you're not gonna get your money. I'm gonna cancel the ride.
No, please don't.
Okay, then
I really
do
need
it.
this.
Do your job properly, goddammit.
I have to pay rent tomorrow.
I don't care.
I know this is probably not a good question, but can you please leave me a tip as well, because...
Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you asking me to give you a tip?
I have to pay rent tomorrow. I have to pay rent.
I don't care. I do not care. Just get me to my destination.
Okay.
Period.
Okay, I'll try. Can we try to start over? I'll be nicer to you.
I'll think about it.
Okay,
You impress me.
How was your day so far?
Why do you care? Why are you asking me that?
Because you're another person and I care about people.
Well, it was good until I got in here.
Okay, what did you do today?
Well, I got my nails done and then one of them broke. So I gotta get them down again. That's why we're taking me right now.
Okay, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Well, just trip to Dubai with my dad. You know, casual.
With your real dad or with your...
Oh, I don't have a sugar daddy. That's lame. I have my...
That's not what I was asking.
Oh, really? Well, yeah, so I'm going to Dubai with him. And we'll take our private jet, of course, because I'm not flying.
Private jet?
Of course.
What is it like?
Well, trust me, it's the best. But I'm not gonna, like, I told him he wanted to take a normal plane. And I was like, no, like, we're not gonna fly first class. That's for, like, peasants. You know?
Yeah.
And he wanted, like, to take our Rolls Royce with us. 'Cause we have a couple of houses in Dubai. hobby as well.
Wow.
And we have our private jets.
What do you guys do? What does he do for work?
Well, he's having some business I don't really care about. Just all I care about is like the allowance he's giving me. And
You have an allowance?
of course I do.
You're not like child though. Why do you have an allowance?
Well, because he wants to take care of me. So, you know, like I have to spend money somehow. Like, you want me to get a job or something? Like, I'm not gonna get a job.
Why
Are you
not?
kidding me?
I think it builds character.
No, it does not. It just makes you feel
Sorry,
so
I have to
degraded.
stop here because I don't know.
Oh my fucking god.
There's construction or something.
You're giving me such a headache. I don't know where my Xanax is.
Your Xanax?
Are you kidding me?
You shouldn't take that stuff.
Why not? Are you gonna take me? Are you gonna say to me like, what am I supposed to do? I don't care about your advice. Like, he's showing you to drive. Why you're not driving?
I'm driving.
That's enough.
I'm driving.
Just drive faster, damn it.
I'm trying.
Oh my god. There's no way we're gonna get there in 5 minutes.
Probably not.
That's unbelievable.
Because I had to take a detour, so now it's going to be 15 minutes.
Oh well, then I don't care. Then just take a shortcut.
Okay, I'll try.
Thank you. Finally, we agree on something.
Do you put your seatbelt on yet?
No.
Can you put it on, please?
Oh my god, you're so fucking annoying, and your car is fucking broken.
How is it broken?
I don't know how to put it on, damn it.
Okay, we'll just...
Jesus. I'm so pissed right now. Happy now?
Yes, thank you.
Really? You're gonna pay for that shirt. For the dry cleaning. I'm bored. Can you play some music, please?
My stereo's broken, so...
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Do you have the AC at
Maybe
least?
if you leave me a tip, I could pay to fix it.
Oh,
Just saying.
Well, maybe if you had enough money to fix it, we wouldn't have a problem right now.
I'm trying to make money driving Uber, okay? I got fired from my job.
Well, I don't blame them why they fired you.
Why?
Because you're a freaking maniac.
I'm a maniac?
Yes, you are.
That's what my mom calls me, okay? Can you not say that, please?
I mean, yeah, she's right. I will be best friends with
No,
her.
don't say that, okay?
Oh, why not?
Because I'm actually diagnosed maniac.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't fucking care. Just drive. Why are you
Sorry,
stopping every...
there was a stop sign.
You stopping every 5 seconds, damn it.
Okay, we're almost there, okay?
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
I can see where we are.
We're almost there.
Bullshit.
I'm sorry. Hold on, we're almost here.
So you don't have the AC?
No, I don't have AC, I don't have music. I'm sorry, okay?
Oh my god, your car is trash and it stinks as fuck in here. Like, what did you bring in here? Some chick and stinks like fish. And the back. The fuck?
I didn't bring... Oh, no, of course not.
You was hanging out in a strip club somewhere?
I mean, I have before.
Really? Yeah, I can smell that right now.
Okay, well, it was like a week ago, so...
Oh well,
Should be
you
out
didn't
already.
Clean it. Thanks to you.
You know what? Should I just let you out of the car? I don't get paid enough for this.
Oh really? And you want me to tip you for that bullshit?
You know what? I'm gonna let you out right here, okay?
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Well,
I don't get paid enough
You know
for
what
this.
I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cancel the ride before you do, so you're not gonna get paid.
No, 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 no. I'm gonna
yes,
cancel
I'm gonna do it right now. Just watch me.
No, please
I'm gonna
don't.
do it right now. I don't like. I'm not.
Fine, I'll take you. I'll take you there.
Thank
Just
you.
please don't rate me 1 star.
I will if you're not gonna do what I tell you to do. Okay?
You're not the boss of me. I signed up to Uber to not have a boss.
I am the boss for you because I've ordered a ride, and you're giving me service, right? Service, and I'm not getting the appropriate one.
I'm trying my
So you better
hardest.
do your job right. I'm gonna fucking piss off about it.
You know what? I'm sorry, but I can't do this.
Are you kidding me?
You can order a new driver.
You're a fucking asshole. You getting a 1 star, and I'm calling an Uber right now.
I'm reporting you.
That's unacceptable. I'm fucking out of here, you son of a bitch.
Don't slam my door. Oh Oh my God. Are you serious? You just slammed my door. You guys. I hate driving for Uber. Guys, I don't get paid enough for this. Do you see this, Dustin? Do you see this? I'm gonna have to go back to freaking school. Wow. Wow. You guys, I can't believe this.